In this video, I will show with you how to use Nectar points in Argos. So if you want to use this points Nectar, log in on your account here. After that, sign in your Nectar points account. After that, guys, when you log in your all information, also log in here your Argos account information. After login, guys, your information, you should be, guys, link your Nectar points, and then you should be add the Nectar points to your Argos card. Go to your account, this section. From this account section, look for way to pay. From this way to pay, guys, you can link your Nectar points from here. From this option, click link your Nectar account. When you click Nectar your account, guys, you are from UK, inside UK, to use your Nectar points. So guys, after that, you can spend these points to purchase your gift card, like your gift card. Any gift card you can purchase, for example Argos gift card, you can use through Nectar points. You can also use somebody's gift card. Happy to just click buy now, and then you would see the Nectar points to spend here. So guys, choose amount here, for example, and then write your all details, and then write your points from here. Look for option to spend your Nectar points from here, for example option. So guys, all you have to do is be link your Nectar points card to your Argos account from account here, and from a way to pay. So guys, I have this guide here for free.